think about this. So in the world of project management, we have this long, extensive project plan that encompasses the whole project. And we do planning here in a similar method, but what we do is we focus on just the near term, just enough visibility. And then what we do is we focus on planning out just the next few steps we're going to take. We collaborate, and then we deliver what we call increments or an incremental delivery. It can also be referred to as an evolutionary approach, as it evolves. Okay, so if you look down here, Scott Ambler from Agile Modeling says, Agile is an iterative and incremental or evolutionary approach to project development, which is performed in a highly collaborative manner by self-organizing teams with just enough ceremony that produces high-quality software in a cost-effective and timely manner, which meets the changing needs of the stakeholders. So let's talk about something very quickly, and I'm going to kind of go off task just to help you wrap your brain around this. He says in here, helps produce high-quality software. Agile tends to find its core at software development. However, it is not, I repeat, not software development centric. Okay, it's not exclusive to that. People every day are adding Agile principles to all facets of business and all types of projects. Okay, this is not a very rigid framework. I want you to keep in mind. I want you to think about holistically as we move through these, as you understand the Agile process, how it might apply to something non-software related in your world, and how you might take the framework and overlay it into your world of how you work on things. So some of the best practices we talk about, Agile gets really strong because it focuses on some key aspects. Face-to-face communication. It loves co-location. Shorter development cycles. It loves collaboration between business and the project team, or developer in this case, if you think about it from a software centric, right? It's really focused on, as it does each iteration, on developing workable pieces of increment. In other words, let's develop something that we can touch, feel, and look at and provide feedback on. Uses some very effective engineering practices. It loves to utilize frequent demonstrations of the product as you move through the life cycle, and so that it can elicit feedback from the stakeholders and customers, etc., so that we can make changes as we move. Whereas in a project, in a normal traditional project, as it moves along, as we get further in the project, we want less change. Agile is the opposite. We invite change constantly throughout the project lifecycle. And then what we do is we inspect and adapt not only the product as the business changes of needs, but we also look and inspect the processes that we do and the way the team works. And that's done through retrospectives and continuous improvement.